Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to access Tools folder and select Recorder app by clicking on it. Now tap on this red button and select Allow in the pop-up. As you can see, recording is now on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, you need to click the middle button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left one over here. And if you wish to end it and save it, tap on the right one with a check mark. Now you need to name your recording however you wish to and save it by tapping on OK. You can also delete it right away by choosing Delete. Then click on this right icon over here with 3 lines to access list of all your recordings. Over here you need to select Allow, and as you can see mine is over here. If you wish to play it, you need to just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it. Click on this delete icon at the bottom right corner and select Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!